It's weird, right? You've carried your Deebot Ozmo 950 back to the dock. You've checked the plug, it's on. You've even polished those charging pins until they shine like a gold bar. But still, no light, no sound, no life. It's just sitting there, sulking for no reason. Voila! Is it broken? Is it possessed? What is actually happening? Chill, don't panic. Here's a did you know for all you Deebot owners. If your Deebot Ozmo 950 refuses to charge, 90% of the time, it's not the dock. And no, it's not a ghost. It's the battery cells. Think of it like your own phone. After 1,000 charges, the battery just loses its spark. It's tired, boss. It refuses to hold a charge because the internal cells have reached their limit. If you ignore this, you're not just losing a clean floor. A dead battery can eventually leak or even swell. Now, before you send it for repair, you can try the golden rule. The wipe down. Use a dry cloth to clean the contact points on the dock and the robot. Sometimes a bit of dust acts like a wall. The reset. Turn the power switch off and on again. But if you've tried that and it's still dead, stop right there. Don't try to be too clever and DIY open the casing yourself. Why stress yourself out? That's where RoboCare comes in. Don't give yourself a headache trying to solve the mystery. Our experts live and breathe vacuum anatomy. When you bring your machine to us, we don't just patch things up. We do a full diagnostic to ensure your motor, filters, and seals are all working in perfect harmony. We use genuine parts, precision tools, and most importantly, we give you peace of mind. Look at that difference. After a quick session with our experts, this Deebot is back to life, fully charged and ready to tackle the dust again. No more drama, no more weird charging issues. Stop fighting with your vacuum and let the pros handle it. Visit our website or call us to schedule your repair.